Energy markets can be unpredictable, and that can be a real challenge when energy is a primary driver of your monthly data center bill. Market volatility makes budget planning difficult. That uncertainty becomes a real business risk. But our energy team has the solution for that. At Iron Mountain Data Centers, we don't just provide rack space. We also solve your energy challenge. It's your power, and delivering it is our responsibility. We purchase power for our sites and deliver it directly to you as needed, and manage market volatility so you don't have to worry about it. Let us show you how we do this. A lot goes into making it happen. A significant part of your bill is regulated fixed costs for taxes, levies, and the utility grid, which delivers energy to the data center. At every Iron Mountain data center location, authorities set these charges, and the same rates apply to everyone who uses the electric grid. But when it comes to the cost of the electricity itself, the price for electrons on the grid is constantly changing. How and when our energy team procures power makes a real difference for our customers. This is precisely where we focus our efforts to deliver value. Our approach is to identify how much power our customers will need for the next year. Then, break that volume down into small quantities, which we buy from the energy market over time. This creates an average cost aligned to the long-term market, rather than making a big bet by buying all the power at a single point in time. Since 2017, we've been helping customers reach their clean energy goals by sourcing local wind, solar, tidal, and battery storage. A critical step in our journey to achieve 24/7 carbon-free energy by matching every hour of use with locally produced power. These contracts further stabilize our power costs over the long term. What does this mean for you? Your sustainability goals are met, and you and your customers won't have to stress about market volatility. Your power, combined with our energy team's dedicated expertise, drives your success. Iron Mountain Data Centers, to protect, connect, and activate your data.